Hello friends, welcome to VAM Tech Zone. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe for the channel, comment and share. Click on like button. Let's move on to the video. In this video we see about Realme 8 series, means it includes Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro. It is the include version of Realme 7. Realme 8 series we can see the slighter changes compared to Realme 7. And Realme 8 price in India will be either 13,999 or rupees 14,999 for 4GB plus 128GB variant, and also we have another with 8GB plus 128GB of variant. The price will be of rupees 15,990 or 16,999. Realme 8 Pro price of 6GB plus 128GB will be 17,999 or 18,999, and next with 8GB plus 128GB price will be rupees 19,919 or 20,919. Then and also we coming to the charger, we have 65 volts of a fast charger, and we have a good look compared to other phones, and also we have a plastic coated at the back side, and also we have a matte finishing. And coming to a camera with Realme 8, we have a quad camera with 108 megapixel main sensor, and also when we go with the photos it will be awesome and will be very good. And in inbuilt and also it has a inbuilt display, finger sensor, and also dedicated SD card. Overall it designing is very good. And also we have 8MP ultra wide angle camera, and also we have a 2 sensor, depth sensor and micro lens, and a front camera with 60MP with a good clarity with Sony sensor. And coming to a display we have 6.4 inches resolution, and also we have MOLED display, but we have 60 Hz refresh rate, but compared to other refresh rate displays it is less. But we have 108 touch response rate, but rate is good. And coming to the storage, we have 0.1, and processor we have that Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, which have a higher maintained processors. And about the security, we have a good security features with face locking and also inbuilt finger sensor. And about a battery, we have 4,500 milliampere hour, but it is okay, but to compensate that we have 65 volt fast charger with the phone, and we can charge within 47 minutes. And coming to the OS in the mobile, the OS used with this mobile is Android 11. It is Clear OS and updated OS. And coming to the speakers, we have mono speakers at the bottom, and we have the clarity of the speaker is very good. And coming about a connectivity, we have all types of connectivity is supported with this mobile. Coming to a Realme 8 Pro, the phone comes with a 4G and 5G, and with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G SoC, and we have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. And Realme 8 Pro has 6.4 inches MOLED display, and also 90 Hz display with punch hole for selfie camera. And Realme 8 Pro has 108 megapixel camera with recently founded with Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. And also we have 8MP ultra wide angle sense and depth sensor and 2MP micro lens. Thank you for watching the videos. For more videos, subscribe for the channel. Thank you. Take care.